Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to set up newbie share on your TCL 30. So at the very beginning you need to open control panel on your device, then enable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and location services. So then find here newbie share, tap and hold on it, then wait a while, click on either verify button, then scroll down, choose yes I'm in and enable newbie share. Then you can change your device name, you can make your device visible for contacts or for everyone, and choose a preferred data usage mode. In my case I'll use a data mode because data mode includes Wi-Fi and Bluetooth modes. And cool, now we can share and receive photos, images, files. For example, I want to share this image from my Vivo device to my TCL device. How can I do it? By clicking on share button and nearby share, I will see my device here in this menu, and by clicking on it in my TCL device I can accept sending. Open image in gallery and cool, image was successfully sent. And that's all. Thank you for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel and see you. Bye.